Yesterday we already see the classification of alcohols as the allylic alcohols, benzylic alcohols, sp3 hybridized carbon having OH groups alcohols, and sp2 hybridized alcohols are also we have seen up to yesterday. Now come to the nomenclature, that means common name and IUPAC name of alcohols and phenols. First see the common names and IUPAC names of alcohols. Now see, in this there are the simplest alcohols are here. Now this is the structural formula of methyl alcohol. You know very well, in methyl alcohol the R group is the methyl group and this OH is directly attached to this methyl group. So it is the common name of this alcohol is the methyl alcohol. But in IUPAC name system, the parent alkane methane is there because only one carbon atom. So parent alkane is methane. If one of the hydrogen of this methane is replaced by the OH group, it forms the methyl alcohol. We know that. But how the IUPAC name is given? For IUPAC name, replace the E of the alkane, the suffix E of the alkane by the suffix OL. Now what is the name of IUPAC name of this alcohol? If we replace the suffix E of the parent alkane by OL, that becomes methanol. That becomes methanol. So the IUPAC name of this simplest alcohol, methyl alcohol, is the methanol. But if there are more than 3 carbon atoms or 3 carbon atoms, then we must number the carbon atom from that side which have nearest OH group. For example, see the third example here. Third alcohol. I write here the third alcohol. CH3, CH2, CH2, OH. Now in this alcohol there are the 3 carbon atoms. So number the carbon atoms from that side which have nearest OH group. Now in this alcohol, this OH group is attached to this carbon atom CH2. So I give the number from this side. 1, 2, 3. Now the OH group is attached to the first carbon atom. So how the IUPAC name is given? Now there are 3 carbon atoms, so the parent alkene is propane. So replace the E of the propane by OL, and after that is the propane name, first write the number at which the OH group is attached. Formally they directly write as 1 propanol. But now in the new system, first write only propane and then the number to which the OH group is attached and then write down the OL. In formal system, what is there? The name is 1-propanol. But nowadays this name is not there. The IUPAC name is given as propan-1-ol. So this normal propyl alcohol, as the carbon atoms are in the straight chain, so common name is the N-propyl alcohol, normal propyl alcohol. But in IUPAC system, the name is propan-1-ol. Now see the second example. Here are only 2 carbon atoms. So number is always given from this carbon, which is the 1 carbon atom. So up to the methanol and ethanol, numbering is not given. Number started from the alcohol having 3 carbon atoms. So it's simply, ethyl alcohol is simply given the name as ethanol. But from propyl alcohol the numbering started, because in a propyl alcohol there are the 2 types of alcohol, normal propyl alcohol and secondary propyl alcohol is also there. So the numbering is important. Now here it is not given the example of secondary propyl alcohol. Now see how is the secondary propyl alcohol. You know the very well the secondary propyl group. Which is that? Now see, if the OH group is attached to the second carbon having only 1 hydrogen, then such group is called as the secondary propyl group. Now this is the secondary propyl alcohol. Commonly it is the secondary propyl alcohol. But the IUPAC name of this alcohol is given by giving the numbers. Now here OH group is attached at the center carbon atom. So number the carbon atom from, that is the left hand side or right hand side, no matter, because this OH group is always attached to the central carbon atom here, and it the number is of the 2. So let us give the number from this side, 1, 2, 3. Now what is the IUPAC name now of this alcohol? Now give the name from the parent alkane. As it contains 3 carbon atoms, so the parent alkane is propane. But write down only propane. E get replaced by the OL. But first write the number of that carbon which have directly attached the hydroxyl group. Here on the second carbon there is the hydroxyl group. So this is the propane to all. Now this is the IUPAC name of this secondary propyl alcohol. Now you can give the IUPAC name for this alcohol. Now see this alcohol. Here in the chain of the carbon atoms there are how many carbon atoms? Now number from this side. Now this CH3 group is not the it is not the substituent, but it is in the chain. Remember that. This is in the chain. Straight chain is there of the carbon atom. So number to the carbon atom from this CH3 group. Suppose this CH3 group is at this side and OH is at this side, then we consider that CH3 group as the carbon number 1. That is written only in this way. So give the numbering from 1, this CH3 group, 2, 3 and 4. Now here the carbon number 2 have the hydroxyl group which is directly attached here, and this is the nearest carbon for the OH group. So we give numbering from this side. Now what is the IUPAC name first? Now we know that this is the secondary butyl alcohol because the OH group is attached to the second carbon atom having the 1 hydrogen as that of the secondary propyl alcohol. Secondary alcohol, how we identify? If the OH group is attached to the second carbon containing only 1 hydrogen, that are the secondary alcohols. Now this is the, as it contains 4 carbon atom, so it is the secondary butyl alcohol. But this is the common name. We want the IUPAC name. Now in the chain there are the 4 carbon atoms, so the parent alkane is butane. But replace the E by all, so it is the butanol. But which butanol? It is the butane to all because carbon is hydroxyl group is present on the second carbon. So it is the name, the IUPAC name of this alcohol is butane to all. Now IUPAC names are very important. They may be asked into the JEE entrance exam, MCQs or in the board theory exam. But if you do not understand the IUPAC name of this organic compound, then you do not write the any chemical reaction or any preparation reaction, because they give only the name in the examination. What is the action of, that is the active metal on butane to all? So you must know the structure of butane to all. If you do not know the names, IUPAC names and structures of the compound, you cannot write the reactions, because reactions are very important. And so the IUPAC names as well as common names also are very important. So that is, study carefully of these IUPAC name systems and common name system. Now let us take next example. Now here, this is the isobutyl group. Why it is isobutyl group? In 11th standard we see that isoalkyl groups, how that that is how that recognize the isoalkyl groups. If the molecule contain such a carbon having one hydrogen is there in the chain, that is not important to attach that carbon the any functional group, that is not important. But if the molecule contains such type of grouping, remember that. Now these that are the iso groups. Only the in butyl group secondary only in the propyl groups secondary and iso are similar. Only in propyl group secondary and iso are similar. But from butyl group secondary and iso are different structure having molecules. Now see, this is the secondary butyl alcohol and this is the isobutyl alcohol. What is the difference between them? In secondary butyl alcohol, the OH group is directly attached to the carbon containing the one of the hydrogen. But in isobutyl group, the OH group is attached to the another carbon, not directly attached to that carbon having the one hydrogen atom. But in that molecule, there must be at any somewhere or at any place such type of grouping must be there. Then and then they are the isobutyl. This is very important as the point of view of the chemical reaction. This is very, you must understand what is the secondary butyl group and what is the isobutyl group, because in examination, because the IUPAC name of both that alcohols are different and their common names are also different. Now see this example, how we give the IUPAC name for this alcohol. Now this is the CH3 CH, that is the substituent CH3 is to this CH, again in the chain CH2 and then OH is there. So number from that side which have the nearest OH group, but numbering is given in only a straight chain and not zigzag manner. Now this is considered as the substituent. This methyl group is not in the chain. This is considered as the substituent. This is not in the chain. Remember, the numbering is given only in a straight chain. Why we give here the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4 in this way? Because this CH3 group is in the chain, but this is not in the straight chain. So give the numbering from this side as 1, 2 and 3. Now at second carbon atom there is the substituent methyl group, and at first carbon atom there is the functional group OH, that is the alcoholic group. Now the name of this alcohol is given. First write down the number of the substituent and the name of the substituent. As at the second carbon there is the methyl group, so it is the 2-methyl. And in chain there are 3 carbons, so the parent alkane is propane. So write down propane. But as the OH group is attached to the one carbon, so they do not give the name such as the first carbon is there. So it may be written as in this way also, 2-methyl propane 1-ol. But as the OH group is present on the first carbon, so the 1 is not written in the IUPAC. Both names are 100% correct. You may give the IUPAC name as methyl propanol or 2-methyl propanol or 2-methyl propan 1-ol. You can give if the OH group is present on the second carbon atom, then the 2, that is the 2-methyl propan 2-ol writing is very that is essential. But as it is present on the first carbon, so the 1 is not written. But the name 2-methyl propan 1-ol is also the very important. Now see the blackboard and try to understand the IUPAC names of these alcohols. Now see again some examples of the nomenclature of some alcohols. Now this is such alcohol in which there is the carbon having that is the substituents are there. Then how the numbering is possible? Now you know that this is the tertiary carbon because it do not have any hydrogen atom. All the alkyl groups are there. All the alkyl groups are there. So it is the tertiary butyl alcohol. You know that. Now numbering give from that side which have OH group nearest. But if we give the numbering from this side, in this way, 1, 2, only 2 carbon atoms are there. But if we give the numbering in such a straight chain, it contains the 3 carbon atoms. So always consider that straight chain which contain maximum number of carbon atoms. In this straight chain, there are only 2 carbon atoms. But in this chain, there are the 3 carbon atoms. So give the numbering from this side, 1, 2, 3. Now if we give the numbering from the bottom also, then there is the OH group is always on this second carbon atom. Now on this second carbon atom, there is one substituent, methyl group, and the OH group, functional group of alcohol is also there. So the name of this alcohol is 2-methyl. In the straight chain, there are 3 carbon atoms. So the parent alkane is propane. So 2-methyl propane 2-ol. This is the 2-methyl propane 2-ol is the IUPAC name of this alcohol. Commonly it is the tertiary butyl alcohol. Now see here, we know that there are the dihydric alcohols also, and the dihydric alcohols are called as the glycols. Trihydric alcohols are called as the glycerols, and dihydric alcohols are called as the glycols. Now here there are the 2 OH groups. Now there are the 2 OH group on this alcohol on both of the carbon atoms. So number as from any side as 1, 2. So the IUPAC name during giving the diols, or that is the glycerol or glycols, write the complete name of the parent alkane. That is very important. Now I write here completely ethane. E is not deleted. Now this is the ethane, as it parent alkane is ethane. So write down the complete name of the alkane. Do not replace the E in case of dihydric alcohol and trihydric alcohol. Remember that. And then write down the numbers to which the OH groups are attached. Now here numbers are given as 1, 2 for this carbon. So ethane 1, 2, and it is diol because it contains 2 OH group. So write down the diol. Ethane 1, 2 diol. Write down the complete name of the alkane, then number of the carbon atoms having OH group, and then write down the word diol. This is very simple to give the IUPAC name for dihydric and trihydric alcohols also. Now see this. This is the trihydric alcohol. The common name is propylene glycerol because trihydric alcohols are called as the glycerols. So this is the propylene glycerol. So number from any side because only 3 carbon atoms are, and the surrounded carbon atoms are similar. So give from this side numbering 1, 2, 3. Now this is the propane. So the parent alkane propane is completely written the name of the parent alkane propane, and then write down the numbers to which the OH group is attached. The numbers are 1, 2, 3, and as it is triol, so write the word triol. But if these OH groups are not on the continuous carbon atoms, still also give the number of that carbon which have the OH group. But numbering is done from that side in which OH group is made. For example, consider such a triol or such type of glycerol is there. CH3, CH, OH. Suppose here CH2 is there, and again there is the CH, OH and CH2OH. Suppose this type of triol is there. Suppose this type of triol is there. Now you have the question in mind, from which side the numbering can be done, madam? But that is very easy to give the numbering, and the OH group both are present continuously from the right hand side, so definitely we give numbering from that. But if such type of example is there, CS3, CH, and if this contain OH group, again there is CH2, CH3. Suppose this type of triol is there or diol is there. Consider the triol again. Now, from which side the numbering is given, that is very important. The lower example. The upper example is easy. You give the numbering from this side because there are two OH group nearest to the right hand side. So, give the numbering as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is, and the name of this triol is, this is the parent alkane, pentane 1, 2, 4 triol. It is the name. That is very simple to give this IUPAC name for this such type of triol. But what is the name of the below example? Now see here, on both sides the OH group is similarly on the second carbon atom. But on the third carbon atom from left hand side, there is the substituent methyl group. So always give the numbering from that side which have OH group nearest as well as the substituents also nearest. So we must give the numbering from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now this is the correct numbering because to this there is the nearest substituent. But if we give the numbering from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then the substituent comes from the fifth number of carbon. But from left side, it comes on the third number of carbon. So that is the correct numbering from the left hand side. So the name of this alcohol is 3-methyl because the alkyl group is considered first 3-methyl, and as it is the parent alkene is heptane, so 3-methyl heptane. Write down completely the name of the alkene, heptane, as I write here complete name of pentane. Here is not that is the substituent, so substituent's name is not there, but here is the substituent. So 3-methyl heptane. Now on which carbon atom there are the hydroxyl group? On second, on 4 and on 6, and it is the triol. Now this is the IUPAC name of the alcohols, and after that we will consider the IUPAC names of the phenols also.